Hi class, this is Ronak Singh and now I am going to tell about rising age of marriage for girls 18 to 21.
So speak a bit louder.
So first of all, now I am going to tell about what is marriage. A state of being husband and wife is called a marriage, and it is a relation between two families. The first one is girls' families and second one is boys' families. And the Indian government was decided the minimum legal age of marriage for girls 18 to 21, and the bill was introduced in Lok Sabha by the Union Cabinet Minister in 21st December 2021, and after that our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi was introduced this proposal on Independence Day, and there are many reasons that's why the Indian government made this act. Likewise, the first reason is in rural areas the girls was married by senior citizen in underage like 11, 12, even under 10, and that's why there are many problems create. Likewise, teenage pregnancy cases and anemia disease and high blood pressure and many mental and health problems. When we see our background, so there are many acts made by Indian government. Likewise, the first act, the Sarda Act in 1929, and according this act, the girls' age was 18, the girls' age was 14, and the boys' age was 18. And after that, many challenges are become by the Indian government. So after that, the girls' age was 18 and the boys' age was 19. And the next act was made by Indian government in 1978. After that, according this act, the girls' age was 15 to 18 and the boys' age was 18 to 21. And in 2006, the new act was made by the Indian government. The act name is Prohibition of Child Marriage. And there are many advantages and disadvantages. The first one is
Silent.
the first of all, now I am going to tell about advantage of marriage. The first one is no need perfect time and sexual life and religious reason. And now I am going to tell about disadvantage of early marriage. The lack of understanding and lack of tax situation, any situation, and financial safety. And that's all about according to me.
Very good. Yes, next candidate. Very good.